Hi, welcome in today's upper body shredder. This is gonna be absolutely phenomenal for everything on the upper body. You're gonna get more tight and more toned and more sculpted because of this workout. And you're definitely gonna feel the burn in all the right places. Please make sure to add any modifications if you need to make sure that it's best fit for you. Modifications are always welcome in our videos. So let's go ahead and get started because again, this is only a 10-minute video. Again, making it sure that you're consistent with your routine is where we're gonna get the best results. Okay, so the first one we're gonna go into is a plank. And you want to start off with really light weight, so even if it's just the bar itself, that's fine, but something that's really light so you can feel the activation of the muscles and warming up first. As we're going to go ahead and drop down into our modified plank, having a straight line from our head down to our knees, I'm going to place one hand into the center as the other hand's going to grab onto the weight. I'm going to grab the weight and I'm going to squeeze the back, bringing my weight towards my hip with my elbow tight and pulled back towards the ceiling, and I'm going to go for 2 of those. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it and now flip to the other side, squeezing, doing that back row, really focusing on feeling it, every single muscle. Next, after that, we're gonna go into push-ups. So spread your fingers nice and wide. You want your hands to be where your chest comes down and the elbows are slightly pointing downwards. We're gonna go for a total of 2 push-ups. And then after that, we're gonna go into mountain climbers. So 2 mountain climbers, just bringing one knee up to the elbow, and again, and then reverse. Beautiful. Go ahead and drop down to your knees. We're gonna go into a bicep curl, so grabbing your weights, keeping your core nice and tight, chest is lifted. Go into 2 bicep curls. Good, and we're gonna flip them, open it up. We're gonna go into that chest press for 2. Good, go ahead and place the weights together or just drop it into one weight, and you're gonna go ahead and go into a tricep extension for 2. And then you're gonna go ahead and bring it back down. Now we're gonna do that circuit that we just did. Now we're gonna go all the way to 7. So we're gonna go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You heard me, let's go ahead and begin. So now drop it back down into that plank. Row for 7, here we go. Or I'm sorry, row for 3. Push up for 3. Mountain climber. Bicep curl. Shoulder press. Tricep extension. Or overhead is what I'm doing. Beautiful work. All right, shake it out, because now we're on number 4. Here we go. Anytime you're starting to feel like you're ready to add more weight, do so. Listen to your body. Beautiful, 4 push-ups. You got the hang of it, mountain climbers. Bicep curl. Good, keep it slow and controlled, feeling those muscles. This isn't a race. Getting you into your best every day, stepping into your most improved self just by being 1% better. That's the focus. Beautiful, I'm already starting to sweat. Love it, shake it out. Hard part's just starting now. If you're able to add a little bit of some weight, let's do it. And if you can pop up onto your toes. Here we go, 5. Shake it out. Little breather, you're doing amazing. Just 2 more rounds, that's it. Whew. Grab a little bit of some water. Where'd my water go? Oh man, drink some water for me. Okay, here we go. 6. 'That was a killer. Oh man, completely out of breath. And what's great is lifting weights helps you burn more calories than if you were just doing cardio right now. So not only are you sculpting, but you're also gonna be shredding. So make sure you have a really good diet after this. Make sure you're getting a lot of vegetables, your whole grains, and protein in every one of your meals. You'll be shrinking while sculpting. Good work. Okay, we have our last round. Grab some water, shake it out, take a deep breath, and then I'll give you a nice good stretch at the end of this, okay? You deserve it. Here we go. Are you burning like I am right now? Oh my goodness. And you did it! Oh my goodness. Who knew that a 10-minute workout could just burn so good, right? So let's go ahead and just now stretch it out. Go ahead and just go into child pose, open your knees the distance of the mat, big toes come together. Send your hips back and allow your arms to stretch forward. Beautiful work. Go ahead and now come up to tabletop position. Open up one of the arms, reach it up nice and high, lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Good, and then reach it out to the front of the body. Reach, reach, reach. Good, and then bring it back down, other side. Big deep breath, slowing down the heart rate. And then reaching it forward. Good, other side again. Reach it up. This time you're gonna go ahead and reach your arm out. Now just think of your opposite leg. Go ahead and extend that out. And then as you hold here, you're getting a nice good core strengthener as you're starting to focus on tightening that core with the balance. Go ahead and bend the foot, clasp your shoelaces, press your foot back, and you're gonna feel a nice good stretch through the chest and the arms. Takes a little bit of some balance, but challenge yourself. Our balance only gets better when we challenge ourselves. Good, and come down now the other side. Deep breaths, and then reach the arm out, lengthen, 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 and take that opposite leg behind you, lift it up. Good, bending the back foot, grabbing the shoelaces, pressing your foot against the hand gives you that nice good stretch. You'll feel this through the hips, the hip flexors, quads, upper body, arms. Good, bring it down. Go ahead and just sit head down. I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of my most favorite stretches through my arms. Go ahead and just have your hands up so your thumbs are pointing up towards the sky. Now you're just gonna reach those arms back and you're going to just twist those thumbs back to where there's the back of the room. And you'll feel a nice good lengthening stretch there. Take a nice good deep breath right here. Good, shake it out. Next one, thumbs go down. Reach those arms back and keep twisting those thumbs to go behind now. You'll feel that nice good twist and lengthen. Good. One hand goes down to the mat as the other arm reaches up and over, and your gaze is up towards the ceiling. And all the other way to the other side. Good, go ahead and just fold forward. Feeling this through your hips, you can go ahead and just send your hands behind and reach them up towards the ceiling. Beautiful work, and then what we're gonna do is just switch legs so the other one's on the bottom now. Same thing, lean it forward and arms go up. Good, last one, bring the arms up overhead, pressing the tricep towards the ground, reaching those fingertips back and down the spine. Inhale, exhale. Good, other arm, I'll show you what it looks like. Arm up, reach those fingertips down. And go ahead and place your hands together with a little round of applause for yourself for doing your workout. Great job. Super awesome. You're doing this for you. Love it. Stepping into your best self. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Let me show you the secret on how you can cut fat and keep your curves. Did you know that when you're losing weight, you're actually losing 3 things: water, fat, and muscle. And losing your muscle, that's like losing your metabolism. Skipping meals and dieting can actually lower your resting metabolism up to 20% a day. The secret is lifting weights and maintaining your muscle will actually speed your metabolism up. The Booty Bands and Barbells program is designed to build lean muscle that will cut the fat and keep your curves. Put yourself first, act now. You feeling great and your new transformation can start today.